Let's start with this woman who throws drink in bar owner's face after getting kicked out. On April 27, 2024, at a local bar, tensions escalated to an unexpected level, leading to a confrontation between a patron and the bar owner. The event unfolded when a woman, recovering from a recent hysterectomy surgery, was encouraged by her friend to step out of the house for a drink. Unbeknownst to them, the bar owner, Mr. James, who has a contentious history, was present at the establishment.
Do you guys already know the situation with Mr. James' house?
No, I'm not
He's
super
been
familiar.
arrested. Yeah,
I don't know about us being arrested, eh?
well, for calling the girl the N-word and for sexual harassing women, and there's all kinds of charges.
Recently arrested?
It happened not that long ago because all the establishments have been like basically people have been going
no,
because
I'm asking since the
no, not
Facebook
since
stuff,
not
okay.
since the Facebook stuff. So my brother works at the one in Green. He's a bouncer there. Mind you, I just got out of the hospital. Just had a total hysterectomy. Just had surgery. My best friend Alyssa knows we know him. And we were sitting there having a drink. He comes up to the bar and goes to Alyssa, I have nothing against you, but you need to tell this f***ing bitch to get the f*** out of my business. I'm gonna f***ing kill you and you deserve to die. I took my drink and threw it on him. I'm not gonna lie to you because that's ridiculous for someone to. I own a business. If you want someone to leave, you want.
Brooke Barnes, the women in all blue, calls 911. After throwing her drinks on the owner of Town Tavern, alongside her friend Alyssa, was quietly enjoying her time when Mr. James approached them. His demeanor quickly turned hostile as he hurled a barrage of insults at the woman, calling her derogatory names and threatening her life.
Someone to leave, you can say, listen, you're not welcome at my establishment.
Right, you need to leave, yeah.
There's no reason to come up to a girl and tell her you're a f***ing bitch. I hope you down and kill you if you don't get out of my business.
He said that to you?
Yes. There's tons of people around watching the whole thing.
When was this?
Just now.
Oh, just now?
I just called you. Yes,
Oh,
it just
okay.
happened.
Okay.
This is the first time I've been out of my house since I just literally had surgery. This is ridiculous.
Something else happened beforehand that, would have made him upset and want to say that?
Because he got in trouble for all the allegations online, and I posted something on there and said, yeah, you're a piece of crap for what you're doing to girls. That's your grown-ass man. That's your prerogative. You did that to yourself. That's a reputation that you built for yourself. But there's no reason that anyone should ever be threatening someone, I'm going to kill you.
Right.
You
No, I
deserve to fucking
100%,
die.
I agree.
I own a business. You don't treat people like that.
All right.
The woman, outraged and feeling threatened, responded by throwing her drink in his face. This reaction, she admitted, was driven by her disbelief and anger at being treated so disrespectfully. Witnesses in the bar observed the entire interaction, noting the inappropriate conduct of the bar owner.
Can I ask why you came here?
Because my best friend Alyssa was up here and she said, I want you to get out of the house because I just had surgery.
Right.
I didn't know he was going to be here.
Just for like the backstory.
Absolutely. I had no idea that he was going to be sitting. My brother works for him at the other bar.
Okay.
He's a bouncer. He's worked for him for 8, 9, 10 years down where he owned all the bars down in the valley, all of them.
Right.
There's a way of going about, you own a business and that's how you treat someone in front of, there's children in there and tons of other people. That's what you say to somebody.
Right.
You think you can get away with it? And he has all these other issues that he's done with women. That's not the first time he's done it.
It's rough because I used to be the guy who makes so,
James?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so, probably 5 years ago. So me and him have always been cool. You heard about all the shit that happened, right?
Yeah, it's all over.
Social media, whatever. So, she commented on it.
There's that.
A lot of people did.
He was like, and then, so, we came in here to drink. He happened to be here, we didn't know. And he saw that I was there and came up to us and was like, I guess nothing else.
Dear Alyssa, right?
Yeah.
Okay, said to her.
And he was like, the fuck.
Sorry.
No, you're fine.
Get the fuck out of my face, or get the fuck out of my bar, whatever.
You're a fucking fat bitch. I hope you die. I'm going to kill you.
Bitch, I hope you die, or something.
Who says that? A 42-year-old man says that.
Well, that. So what, do you know what she said on
I'm supposed
Facebook?
to go on a fucking date.
With him or somebody else?
We might need you to write a statement.
Yeah, if you don't, if that's what you want to do, we prefer to have a written statement.
Now he's calling Alyssa right now.
I'm sure he is. I wouldn't talk to him for right now. I said I wouldn't talk to him for right now. Just till.
I want to go to the fucking
Yeah. Just give us a couple minutes here and we'll try to get you out of here. Like I said, it might just have you write something down.
I can absolutely do that.
And then we'll get you out of
Give
here.
it to me now so I can
Yeah,
sit
we'll
right.
grab it.
The woman immediately contacted the police, who arrived on the scene to take her statement. She recounted the events to the officers, expressing her shock and dismay at Mr. James's behavior. The officers, understanding the gravity of the situation, reassured her and gathered evidence, including testimonies from other patrons and potential video footage from the bar's surveillance system.
You know, you're familiar with the online slander that's going on? Facebook.
Try not to pay attention.
Yeah, so there's a lot of online slander going on. I can show you some of the. There's been some online slander that I'm litigating and things like that. And this girl, I'm gonna guess 3 weeks ago. This is a girl commenting on Facebook. And by the way, I've had probably 20 people that were running their mouths on Facebook that come in here. And I didn't say anything to the other 19. She was a little overboard.
Yeah.
So I actually said to her, there's a girl I used to date. Okay. And I go to the girl I used to date, we're still kind of friendly with each other. Yeah. And says, and I said it like under my tongue, you fucking fat bitch, get the fuck out of my bar. She fucking throws another drink in my face. I walk away because I know this ain't gonna go. I just want her to leave. So I kind of walked into the other dining room. She walked out with her friend and Ross, my bartender.
Ross, your bartender, was there?
Okay. Yeah, I don't think there was any. I know where she was sitting at. There was no one else sitting at the bar. Maybe on the other side there might have been. We'll be able to see on video, but
yeah, I'd love to go watch a video.
Yeah, let's go watch it. We can all go. Is that assault, throwing a drink in someone's face?
Did it cause you harm? Serious physical harm?
No.
Okay, I know.
So there's nothing that really can be done then?
No, I mean, disorderly conduct at the most.
While the bar owner's actions were clearly inappropriate, the physical act of throwing a drink in someone's face typically does not constitute assault unless it causes serious physical harm. In this case, the police categorized the incident as disorderly conduct, a minor misdemeanor. The woman was not arrested on the spot, but was asked to provide a detailed written statement for the ongoing investigation.
It's a minor misdemeanor.
What about walking on the tap?
Walking out on the tab, that's civil dispute. To an extent, it's a civil dispute. Alright, so supposedly, sorry, my bad. Sorry about that.
I'm sorry.
So supposedly he's not there right now. So
I'm sure he's not. He's
yeah,
hiding in the back somewhere.
yeah. Well, we're obvious. We're gonna hang out over here.
Good, thank you for
Yep.
that.
So I was just gonna read over your statement real quick, see what you got here. See if there's anything I need to ask.
Okay. Stuff happened so fast, you know, so I couldn't believe them saying that they did not really hear it. But when I did leave, I told William and Monica, who's one of the managers, who I know, I told them what he said. And if you ask the other people that are in there, I'm sure they would tell you the same situation.
Yeah.
Why would I call the cops on someone?
No, I know. I'm just explaining it to you in a court perspective.
100%. No, I understand.
So I mean, that's why regardless, I mean, you want to pursue criminal charges, so we're going to charge him.
Yeah.
But I'm just letting you know I'll get you. Did they give you a report number and everything? All right, I'll get you a report number. You guys get out of here, and we'll get the rest squared away.
So
All right, I'm Officer Grayson.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
Get it to you real. Report number's on the bottom. This is the first officer that talked to you.
Ryan, okay.
And then I'm on the back. If you can read my chicken.
I know, right? I'm like writing like I'm like in 5th grade. I'm like, thank you.
So I'm just gonna hang out over here, see if he pops out. I'm sure he'll be back tonight. So.
Right. I'm sure he probably wanted to change, so I threw a drink on him, but sorry, dude.
Well, that's why they said he ended up leaving, is because he was soaked. But was it 1 or 2 drinks?
That's why he left.
2. Yeah.
I don't lie. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm telling you the whole story. Yes, I threw drinks on him. If someone says that to you, like that's.
Yeah. No, I get it.
Who says that to somebody?
No, I get it. So.
Okay, so this is the report number. So like, if I need to call, I would just give them this number.
Yes.
Okay.
If you want your personal copy of a report, 100%. You can call in and ask that. They won't be able to do anything. What's today? Saturday. So you probably wouldn't have it till Monday, maybe.
Okay.
Maybe Wednesday at the latest, if you want it.
Okay.
But yeah. So.
Okay. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Really appreciate you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
I'm so sorry.
No, you're fine. You're fine.
The police advised the woman that her actions, while understandable, still fell under disorderly conduct under Ohio Revised Code, paragraph 29117. 11, which prohibits violent, turbulent, or threatening behavior. The penalties for such an offense can include a fine up to $150 and potential court costs. Additionally, if any property damage occurred, she might be liable for restitution.
On February 1st, 2024, Officers in Florida responded to a physical domestic disturbance involving a dispute over rent among roommates. The incident began when police received reports of a disturbance involving the woman, whose erratic behavior quickly escalated the situation. Upon arriving at the scene, the officers attempted to de-escalate the situation and gather information. However, the woman's responses were uncooperative, and her demeanor became increasingly hostile. The police, exercising patience and professionalism, warned her multiple times about her disruptive behavior, but she persisted.
Are you Miss Haley? Hey, I need you to stop walking away from me, okay? I don't care when I tell you to not walk away from me. I don't know you guys. You're gonna get yourself.
I've been in a car accident. Why the fuck are you rough handling me?
You're gonna get hurt.
You're gonna get hurt.
Oh!
Get out of the car.
Ow!
Put your hands on my
Hey, shut up. Hey.
Cam, you're gonna get hey. Okay, then put him in front of you. Put him in front of you then. Put him in front of you. Stop moving.
Alright, well, she needs to cooperate then.
The fuck am I supposed to cooperate? You're twisting my fucking arm behind me.
Stop
Listen to me. Listen to me. Don't worry about them. Listen to me. Relax. Relax.
Stop moving.
I'm putting my hands in front
You're
of
saying
me.
you're cooperating and you're not. Just relax and sit there and stop moving. Are you the one who called?
No.
Like, just because she ain't want to pay rent. She did not want to pay rent. All this because she did not want to pay rent, and I told her previous days that rent was going
How
up.
would we have known that? If you, the minute we came out and made contact with you, you started running towards the car when we told you to stop.
Yeah, so
How are we supposed to know any of that?
I know, obviously could have talked to me, so she
No, I couldn't have because
Yes,
we're dealing with
she
her.
could've.
Okay, we would have came and talked to you afterwards. That would have been fine. But if we show up and we tell you to stop, you stop. All right?
Just grabbing my marker.
3401 Southwest 25th Street.
Listen, that's fine. That's fine. I don't know
They're
her.
gonna get a
I don't know
lawsuit.
about whatever's going on or whatever the case is, all right? If she would have
MCSO.
cooperated, none of this would, she wouldn't even be in cuffs right now.
So it's okay, they're gonna get a lawsuit.
Don't worry about it, hush.
Get in line.
Listen to me.
Get in line.
Detective trying to get a hold of
No,
them.
we're not, sir. With all
Did you
due
get 1045 the
respect,
deputy?
we don't care what you have to say at this
1043
point, okay?
1248.
He called, she's resisting us. So we'll get with you in just a minute, but right now we have 4 people going all different directions, okay? So if you could just take a step right here, let her stand with him, and let me figure out why we're even here.
He's tightening it, and I'm saying it hurts.
It's not. It doesn't hurt. Look, I can put a finger.
Look at my
We're
hand.
gonna put you in the car, okay? You're just causing too many issues. Please stand up.
I'm sitting right here.
Stand up.
I am.
In response to her refusal to comply with their instructions, the officers had no choice but to take more assertive action. They informed her of her arrest, at which point she resisted physically, leading to a struggle. Despite her efforts to evade capture, the officers managed to restrain her and place her in handcuffs.
Why do I gotta sit in the police car?
All right, listen. I don't care. She could be an old lady. I don't care. It doesn't matter. If she's resisting, she's
You're under arrest now for obstruction.
Why? What did I even do wrong in the first
Let's
place?
go.
Stand up. Stand up.
You're only hurting yourself. Let's go.
Why are you taking my phone?
Because you're going to jail.
Take my phone.
I got you. Relax.
Listen, you're gonna go down to the ground quick. I'm not playing with you anymore.
You're gonna end up in a rap too. You want to be in a rap?
So cut it out. I'm not playing with you.
Relax.
Woman or not, I don't care.
Relax.
Hey,
I have to search you though. So
Trust
stop.
me.
why are you searching me?
Because you're under arrest. Stop moving.
Just let him. Just let him.
I'm not going to
You're
jail.
not going to jail.
They just said I am.
You're not going to jail. They say you keep resisting. You are.
Just better.
Just let him search you. Let him search you.
Yeah,
Relax.
I'm putting my hands up for you to
Relax.
search me. Can I not put my hand up for you to search me?
Relax. Just relax. Just relax.
We're beyond that now, okay? You made us go hands-on with you. You started being super uncooperative, all right? We show up, you run to the car and try to close the door on us. That's not happening. We're not doing that, okay? You're an adult, all right? We're all adults. Move your leg back inside. I don't want to have to put hands on you again. Do you understand? Where's your injury?
I have neck injuries, spinal injuries, a tear in my arm.
When did this happen?
November 9th, 2023. I go to the chiropractor every week.
Okay.
I go to doctor's appointments.
All right. Are you feeling any pain right now?
Yes.
Okay, 1 to 10, what's your pain like?
9.
Okay, do you need us to call EMS? I want you to understand something too. Your well-being is our main concern. Okay, if you are feeling in pain and you are feeling something, we'll call EMS out here, and if you need to get transported, you get transported. But understand, with that being said, that doesn't save you from going to jail. You're still going to jail. Do you understand that? All right, wrap up your conversation so that she can talk to you.
What about?
Pass her the phone. Just pass her the phone. Let her talk to you. Probably gonna get a leeway deal. I don't know.
Okay, so let's take a deep breath. Sorry this happened how it happened.
I'm sorry.
Okay,
I'm
I need you to take a deep breath now though, okay?
You're blurry. You're blurry looking.
Because you're crying. You got tears in your eyes.
Once in custody, the woman continued to exhibit aggressive behavior, verbally abusing the officers and making the process more challenging. Her actions necessitated additional security measures to ensure the safety of everyone involved.
Whenever you're ready, okay? I just got to talk to you about what happened.
For a white male.
Are you good? Mr. Thomas, can you step
No,
away for a
description,
second?
driving a possibly 2022
Feel a little calmer?
Probably advised he was drinking at the 10:20
Keep breathing. You're holding your breath on me. Keep breathing.
Unknown directions to travel. I just definitely
See, we started off on a bad foot, but we started getting a little better, and we're cooperating with you more because you're being more well behaved.
Your name's Haley, right?
Yes, I'm
Haley
sorry.
Love. How old are you, Haley?
How old am I? How old am I? 22.
You don't know how old you are?
I was in a car accident. I have really bad memory.
Thomas, I'm sorry, but you can decide at any time to execute these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you?
I think so.
Okay. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us?
Gonna be. She said.
Yeah, you're good.
65.
She said she's
Apparently going to the club until 21 hours.
within an hour.
10-4.
Okay, she never got back to me.
Talking about Soraya?
Yes.
Okay.
10 to 10.
Hurting very badly.
We're always clear change to scene. Temperature drop off by 10-12.
I tightened it because you were
Yeah.
trying to slip them off, and you
Yeah,
almost got
63
it off
Toki,
your
10:45. The caller is
Loosen it a little bit.
21
See?
Boyer.
So I'm going to loosen this one. This one's loose enough, okay?
It hurts though. My wrist hurts.
Well, just keep it up here. You have it like jammed on your wrist. This one will loosen a little bit, but if you start acting a fool again, then we're going to tighten them.
Following her arrest, the woman was transported to the local police station for processing. She was charged with multiple offenses, including disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and assaulting a police officer. Each of these charges carries significant legal consequences. In court, the woman's behavior during the arrest was scrutinized, and the prosecution presented compelling evidence of her violations. The judge, considering the severity of her actions, imposed strict penalties. She was sentenced to community service, fined and mandated to attend anger management classes. Additionally, she was placed on probation, with the understanding that any further infractions would result in harsher penalties. The woman violated several specific laws, each carrying its own set of penalties under the state's legal code. Disorderly conduct, Chapter 877.03, Florida statutes, prohibits acts that disturb the peace or provoke disorderly behavior, with penalties including up to 60 days in jail, a fine of up to $500, or both. Resisting arrest with violence, Chapter 843.01, Florida statutes, makes it illegal to resist an arrest by a law enforcement officer through violent means and is classified as a third-degree felony. Punishable by up to 5 years in prison, 5 years of probation, and a fine of up to $5,000. Battery on a law enforcement officer, Chapter 784.07, Florida statutes, enhances the penalties for battery when the victim is a law enforcement officer, also a third-degree felony, leading to a potential 5-year prison sentence, 5 years of probation, and a fine of up to $5,000. All right, let's move to this next case, where things might go even worse.
The officer initially stopped the vehicle after observing it, speeding at 122 mph and running a stop sign. Upon approaching the driver, The officer requested her driver's license, insurance, and registration. The woman responded that she had none of these documents, stating she was on her way to the hospital because she didn't feel too good.
Hello. How you doing today? Officer Benali, I'm Missile State Police. You know why I stopped you? Because you were going pretty fast on 122, and then you ran the stop sign right there.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm taking my aunt to the hospital. She didn't feel too good.
Okay, do you have your driver's license with you? ID card? Okay, do you have your insurance or registration for the vehicle? Okay, ma'am, do you have a driver's license?
No.
Yeah. No? You have an ID card?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Yeah, I'm taking her to the hospital because she don't feel too good.
Okay. I can ask for an ambulance to come check you guys out.
Yeah, I got released last Friday.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
Yeah,
all right. Okay, ma'am, go and turn off the vehicle for me. Hand me the keys. Oh, yeah. Thank you. All right. Ma'am, step out for me.
The officer noticed signs of intoxication, the smell of alcohol, bloodshot eyes, slurred speech, and slow movements. The officer asked the woman to step out of the vehicle and perform field sobriety tests, FSTs.
Take off your glasses, hold them in your hand, whatever hand you feel comfortable with, okay? What I need you to do, put it there, yeah. Okay, what I need you to do is focus on the tip of my finger here, okay? Do not move your head, keep your head stationary in this direction, and follow the tip of my finger from side to side, okay? All right?
The woman struggled with the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, where she was required to follow a finger with her eyes without moving her head. She also failed to properly perform the walk and turn and one-leg stand tests. Despite her claim of having never performed these tests before, the officer continued to document her impairment.
One question, what's your name? What's your name? Huh?
Dangerous?
How do you spell that?
It's K-A-T-H-A-R.
Traffic's too loud. That's why I keep asking that question. K-A what?
K-E.
K-E. Okay.
K-A-T-H-E-R-T-H-E-R-E-D.
T-H-E-R-D.
E-D.
D.
E. And then D.
Okay, E?
Yeah.
Like that? Okay, last name? What's your friend's name?
Huh?
What's your friend's name?
Stasia.
Stasia? How come she's giving me some weird different name?
What she gave you? I'll be honest with you. I'll be honest.
I know I dealt with you before at the gas station, remember?
During the interaction, the woman gave multiple conflicting names and birth dates. She initially provided the name Catherine, which she struggled to spell accurately. Later, she admitted to having a different name and gave a series of incorrect details about her personal information, which led the officer to believe she was deliberately concealing her identity.
You understood my instructions, right? Now be honest with me. How much you had to drink today? Be honest. Put your hands behind your back. Okay, right now you're being placed on the arrest for DWI. Do you understand?
What?
Driving on the seat top.
Intoxication?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
Because of your field sobrieties.
I'm telling you the truth. I'm not.
Scoot over. Scoot over. Scoot over. Okay. Do you know your social security number, ma'am? Where do you get your mail at, ma'am?
Huh?
Where do you get your mail at?
6 Southeast, apartment 9.
In Albuquerque?
Grove, Grove.
Oh, Grove?
Yeah.
Grove Street? Okay.
Yeah, Grove Street, South 9.
It's a lot of things to remember. Okay, let's write it down. Hold on.
It's okay because are they gonna toss it to her?
She's trying to get a hold of somebody to come pick them up. Because other than that, they can't. Then I'm gonna tow the vehicle and then.
Then if not, it's okay because get a hold of my.
Is that your phone that's on the seat over there?
I have an iPhone.
That's what I mean. Is on the seat.
Yeah, and then I have a wallet which is like kind of looks different.
Where's it at?
The officer arrested the woman for DWI after she repeatedly failed to comply with the sobriety tests and was found to have a blood alcohol content, BAC, of 0.17%, twice the legal limit. The officer read her the New Mexico Implied Consent Advisory, explaining her rights and the requirement to take a breath test.
Okay. All right, I need you to pay attention, okay? I'm going to read the breath side to you, and you can give me an answer as soon as I'm done reading this. All right, listen to me. I'm about to tell you something important. You are under arrest for driving under influence, intoxicating liquor, and/or drugs. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take this additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, a licensed nurse or laboratory technician or technologist who's employed by a hospital, or a physician of your own choice to perform additional chemical tests. The cost of this additional test will be paid by the law enforcement agency. Do you agree to take our test, which is the breath test? Do you? Okay, go and turn toward me then. Open your mouth.
Her BAC was confirmed to be twice the legal limit, solidifying the grounds for her arrest. After her arrest, the woman was informed about the legal consequences and given a chance to contact someone for assistance. The officer impounded her vehicle due to her impaired driving and the woman's failure to provide clear identification or comply with legal procedures. Under New Mexico law, specifically NMSA 1978, Chapter 66, Section 8102, it is illegal to operate a motor vehicle with a BAC of 0.08% or higher. The suspect's BAC of 0.17% indicates a serious violation, as it is more than twice the legal limit.